So this is like an example of something that I deal with pretty consistently. So I'm going through a client's pipeline and they're talking about a deal that they just lost, and that the feedback they received from the prospect was that they went with another competitor. This is like a known competitor. And while their pricing was very similar, they went with the other competitor because they felt like it was a more out of the box solution that met their needs. And so one of the things is like trying to figure out like what that feedback actually means. And what I was explaining to the client is usually what that means when a prospect tells you something like it's a more out of the box solution. And this is a trap that software companies fall into all the time, is that they try to lead with the customization and tailor aspects of their platform. So the prospect essentially gets overwhelmed that while it's a very capable system, that the implementation and operation of the system would be cumbersome and time consuming. For some organizations, they're looking for that type of tailor fit and sort of the ability for a platform to be, have the complexity required to accommodate whatever oddball workflow they have. But a lot of companies, when they're looking for a quick solution, are looking for something that's bolt on, that doesn't require a lot of heavy lifting. And I think it's critically important for SaaS companies during the discovery process to essentially itemize whether or not their prospects are looking for something that's going to be a heavy lift, or if they're looking for a very customized solution. And there's an easy way of doing that on a discovery call, which is saying something to the effect of, most of the prospects that I talk to on a daily basis are trying to solve this particular problem. And they're sort of thinking about the problem in one of two ways. An organization might be looking at requiring a really easy to use out of the box solution that has a very sort of easy implementation timeline and something that's very digestible for an organization. Another type of organization might be coming in looking for an incredibly customized solution that's going to fit around very niche aspects of their current operating process. Which one are you? Right? So doing anything where you can try to, at the very beginning of this, try to figure out how the company is even looking at ingesting the solution. Are they trying to make this an act of Congress, or are they looking for a very quick hit? It's going to really create a different discovery and demo process from that point forward once you understand the mentality of that particular prospect.